Okay, we need to calculate the length of x here, all right? So what you need to appreciate is we've got a right angle triangle and they've given us two sides. So if they give us two sides, we can work out the third side, which would be length x using Pythagoras, of course, okay? So Pythagoras can be used anytime if you've got right angle triangle and you know two sides. And that can happen, for instance, when you've got two triangles stuck together. Sometimes you've got two right angles stuck together. If you know two sides, you can work the other out. So using the rule, right, we square the two smaller sides. Okay, so if I square them both and add them, it comes to 153. Okay, that will be the square of this side. So to actually work out x then, I square root 153 and I get my answer out to be 12.369316 blah blah blah. Okay, and it does say three significant figures, so the first three I focus on are 1, 2, 3, those three there. So I'm going to put my answer then as 12 point. I've got to be careful here, I can't just write 3 down. You need to check the next digit, okay, the digit just after the third one. And because it's a 6, I'm going to need to round this up, yeah, because remember if it's 5 or more you round this up, so it'll be 12.4. Okay, so there's my three significant figures there. And with the second part of the question, it's saying that this angle here must be less than 15 degrees, okay, for it to fit in the door. So let's work out what that angle is, shall we? And let's see if it is less than 15. Now, to work out the angle, we need to use trigonometry, okay? So we're familiar with like SOHCAHTOA. First thing you do is you label here then the sides, okay, so we've got H there for the longest side, okay, opposite the right angle, and then we've got O then for the opposite of the angle, okay, and then we've got A then for the adjacent, okay, next to the angles. So we've got then to decide which two sides we're going to use. So for the angle, okay, if we're going to work out the angle, we need to choose two sides that we know, okay. Now, we know this side here, because it's given to us, and we know this side. Okay, we also know that side as well, don't we? Okay, because we worked it out. But, you know, I wouldn't use this side, just in case we've made a mistake here. Let's just use these two sides here. So then with SOHCAHTOA, yeah, you just decide then which one we're going to use. So O and A is going to be tan, yeah? So it'd be tan of the angle, I call it X, it's actually Y, isn't it? So tan of the angle Y. Now following that order then, of the letters with TOA, is tan of the angle is equal to opposite over adjacent. Okay, following the order there, opposite divided by adjacent. So you've got tan Y, the opposite is 3, the adjacent is 12. Okay, so you've got that there. Now to work out the angle Y, we sort of got to think about this tan going over the other side, and we do tan to the -1. Okay, we always do that then, taking it over and just write that there, tan, and it's like to the power -1, 3/12, so what we got there. And we can type that all in one go on our calculator. Okay, so we can type in, now to get that tan to the -1, you've got to press shift first, then tan, so shift tan, and it comes up, fraction button then, 3/12, and you get your answer out to be 14.0 degrees. So it does fit, doesn't it? Because it's less than 15. Okay, so we could say then, yes, it does fit.